So hello friends, welcome back to my new video, and in this video we're gonna see about input function in Python, and we'll see about formatted strings. So let's start the tutorial. So user input, okay, means input function. Python allows for user input. That means we are able to ask the user for the input. This method is little bit different in Python 3.6 than 2.7. Okay, so we are learning Python 3, so I will teach you the Python 3 method. So I will delete this all. Okay, so how you can take input from the user is very much simple. The syntax is very much simple. I will create a variable named user, and then inside of this I will add input. Okay, and this is an function, and don't forget to give rounded brackets after every function. And inside of this you can type anything like what is your name, what is your name. Okay, so I will complete this as fast as possible. So I will add Lalit. So we can also print that, like print, if we print the user, then we can also do over here like Lalit. So we got Lalit. Next, this is a small function. This is how we use, and let us create a new function that user equals input, and inside of this your name, and then we will create a new variable that will be comp. Okay, combination means combination. Comb we will do comp. Okay, so combination equals, and then inside of this we will add our variable user. Okay, so let us move on the next chapter of formatted string. Now you can use formatted string. So I will show you in this example. You can do, I will add a string inside of this hello boss. Okay, hello boss, and then now I will remove user from here, and now formatted strings are used in this manner: curly braces inside any string or any data type, and then you can add your variable which you have to add. Okay, so don't forget to make a f after in starting, and now we will print comp. Your name we will give as Lalit. Hello boss Lalit. Okay, so I will add a space. Your name, Lalit. Hello boss Lalit. Okay, so this was about the formatted strings and input function. How did you like the video? Comment me down in the below. Follow me on my Instagram. So bye.